And, you know, while we're here real quick, I should blast it, but let's at least give them this. Not really a Chevy truck fan, but that one's pretty nice. Badlander. Anyway, here at Findlay Chevrolet, I'm picking up the Corvette, and I was gonna do some vlogging on the new Mighty Mouse catch can and some other stuff, but as you can tell, it's not exactly a very nice day out, so we'll see. Probably when I get the car home though, I'm gonna get it up on the rack, because one of the things I did want to check was any damage from when I was in Arizona, and I thought I cracked the oil pan, and you know, it turned out that's not what happened. But anyhow, I see the car, so let's go talk to Slim real quick and keep you posted. I should keep bringing the car here just to get the free wash job. So what we'll do first though is let's just get in here and we'll double check, see what this thing looks like, and like I said, then when I get home I'll get it up on the rack and we'll take a look and see what else they did. I want to see where that little drain hose comes out on the bottom. So far, I was going to say, well, so far I don't even see it, but there it is right there. So that's the Mighty Mouse catch can. So you know, again, I did buy it with the water tank bracket, so down here it looks like they did use that. And then I'll just, again, when I get home, I'm going to put the car up on the rack and we'll take a look underneath. But as I said, I don't know, 4 or 5 times now, I was probably going to do this myself, but it also entailed lifting the supercharger up, and then you got to put that PCV valve port back in and then reroute the hoses. So yeah, I mean, that is something I could do, but at the same time, you know, it's okay. So anyway, let's get home, check it out. So, well, I've been driving the Z all week, and you know, that car is a little torque monster. But now getting back into the bed, you know, I had almost forgotten just how fast this thing is. this freaking car, man. Jesus. I mean, that's with traction control. Yeah. Anyway. Happy Thanksgiving is right. So, I'll throw this on the clip somewhere, but later. All right, before the weather gets any worse and it starts raining, let's get Snow White up on the rack and take a look at the damage and that little drain hose. Okay, so now I have a little extra time to check out this Mighty Mouse catch can, see exactly what they did, and like I said, we're gonna lift the car up and take a look for whatever that damage was, because I know there's got to be something under there. But anyway, I know this is a little repetitive, but let's take a look and see what they did. So there's the catch can. And again, that's got that little filter up on the top, so that's going to vent all of the pressure. Alright, I see the drain hose, and looks like it runs down here to the front, so that's coming down and running over here. So once we get the car up in the air, be able to see exactly what they did. And then on the front here, so I'm gonna gather that was whatever we hit. Oh man, and that is pretty bad. So I don't think that's probably not gonna buff out. Might just have to replace that. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Wow. Okay, well, let's get this thing up and take it from there. Alright, now we got the car up a little bit higher, easier to see. That doesn't look so good, but I think I remember when I did that. That was by Red Rock Canyon. This is the one I'm more concerned about. Yeah, boy, that really is nasty. So, anyway, let's get under the car, take a look and see what we got. Because so far I am not seeing anything too crazy. A little mark there. Brake duct vent seems to be fine. Nothing under here. Oil pan seems fine. So I mean, this is what I was worried about. I thought maybe I hit this frame brace and popped off this front drain plug, and then also what I said is these two lines that come down from that dry sump tank, that if you break one of these, it's going to be pretty nasty as well. But all of that looks fine, so I'm really not sure what I hit, if anything. But again, I mean, it was very loud, but I'm not seeing anything other than just this little mark right there, which that's fine. If that's all it was, that's great. Yeah, looking good so far. All right, well, that's extremely good news. Now, the only thing to look for is, let's see that hose. So here's the hose. Try to keep the flashlight up there. There's the hose, but I don't see. Maybe just through the, oh, okay, so just tuck the end. So that's the drain hose for the Mighty Mouse. So there you go. All right, so they just tucked it up, so that's fine. I'll probably keep it tucked up same way. All right, well, that's a relief. I'm glad there's like nothing bad. I guess I just hit that front little curb part of the frame, so that's good. And again, we'll get the front poor man's splitter probably swapped out, because I don't think there's enough material there to really grind it down and fix it. So all right, well, good news. Good news. All right, well, get this car off, and might put the Z back up here, because we're gonna get an update on the Lambo today, and hopefully I'll be able to go and pick that up as well. So as always, stay tuned. And this is just for everybody who keeps asking me, they want to see video of the cars raising and lower. When there's not a car on this, it's pretty slow, but when there is a car on it, you know, it's fairly fast. Like I said, it's fairly fast. And the race ramps, by far, are the best.